One of the things I love about St. Thomas Aquinas College is the limitless opportunities for internships they provide.
Yes, I did my internship in Europe. It lasted for a month and a half, and I think I learned so much from it.
I feel that when I graduate from St. Thomas Aquinas, I'm going to have enough experience alongside with my schooling and our internship that'll help prepare me for the job field I'm going into more than someone else who hasn't, because I've managed to get that internship and that experience in the industry to give me an advantage.
And we get to make mistakes. We get to learn from people we work with. So us getting to go in there and do the work and learn from real life professionals in the industry will really help us.
I have a lot of management experience, but I don't have a lot of experience in the hospitality business. And I know it's going to be a great foundation for the real world and working in the hospitality business.